watchdog.com.
Happy Friday, everybody. We'll see breezy conditions today with a few scattered showers as we head through the mid to late afternoon thanks to a cold front moving through. Before that does, we'll get into the middle and upper 60s in the greater Utica area, which is above average for this time of year by about 15 degrees or so. Overnight tonight, we'll drop into the 30s, but it'll feel like the 20s with the wind out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, and the shower chances coming to an end. Our weekend will get off to a cooler start, but it won't end that way, and there could even be a few storms next week. Have a great day.
A lot more coming.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Friday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed with your eyewitness weather forecast for today, which includes morning sun and clouds, and then we will see increasing clouds for the early to mid-afternoon. A few showers heading our way for the mid to late afternoon, part of a cold front moving through. But before that does, we will see temperatures today into the middle, if not the upper 60s, which is well above average for this time of year, fueling that warmth as the wind out of the south at around 9 to 13 miles an hour. And temperatures toward the south could even get into the lower 70s. The rest of us, as I mentioned, into the middle and upper 60s, a little bit cooler as you head toward Lake Ontario, thanks to you being on the other side of that cold front, so in the 50s there. Dropping into the 30s overnight tonight with a few occasional showers this evening, and then otherwise it'll be cloudy, winds out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, making it feel like it's in the 20s for most of the night. And while our weekend gets off to a cooler start, it won't end that way. Looks like we could warm things up and also see some showers and thunderstorms next week. I've got that coming up tonight at 6.
Here's the declaration of deed.
To everybody, today we'll see morning sun and clouds and an increase in clouds for the early to mid-afternoon. Late afternoon is when we'll see a few showers moving through thanks to a cold front. Temperatures out ahead of that cold front will be into the middle, if not the upper 60s for many locations. But down toward the south, you could find a couple of locales that do reach or exceed 70 degrees. Closer toward Lake Ontario, it'll be a little bit closer to average thanks to you being on the other side of that cold front, and that'll be in the 50s. Overnight tonight, we will see temperatures dropping into the 30s with occasional rain this evening. Otherwise, it'll be cloudy with that rain coming to an end. And winds out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour make it feel like it's in the 20s for most of the night. Our sunrise tomorrow morning is at 6:28. Thereafter, we will see increasing sunshine through our Saturday, but it is seasonably cooler. And then we do warm things up, but also becomes windy. And there could even be a few showers and thunderstorms to start next week. And I'll have that full forecast at cnyhomepage.com and tonight at 6. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. We'll see breezy conditions today with a few scattered showers as we head through the mid to late afternoon thanks to a cold front moving through. Before that does, we'll get into the middle and upper 60s in the greater Utica area, which is above average for this time of year by about 15 degrees or so. Overnight tonight, we'll drop into the 30s, but it'll feel like the 20s with the wind out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, and the shower chances coming to an end. Our weekend will get off to a cooler start, but it won't end that way, and there could even be a few storms next week. Have a great day.
For our eyewitness weather forecast, here's meteorologist Jordan Reed.
Thanks so much, Thomas. Happy Friday to everybody. Today we'll see temperatures into the lower, if not the middle 60s, maybe a few upper 60s in there as well. It'll be breezy with a few scattered showers, especially as we head toward mid to late afternoon. Other than that, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds this morning and then increasing clouds throughout the afternoon. Our average high temperature for this time of year around 53 degrees, and most of us will be in the 60s. There could even be a few locales down toward the south that do pop the 70-degree mark, and you'll notice up toward the north and east, or northwest, I should say, we do have that cold front, so temperatures near Lake Ontario closer to the 50s. Overnight tonight will drop to around 36 degrees with occasional rain this evening. Otherwise, it'll be cloudy with our sunrise tomorrow morning at 6:28. Winds out of the southwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour or so. And because of the cold front, our weekend will be cooler to start but warmer to finish, and it looks like we will see windy, warmer conditions and even a few showers and thunderstorms to start next week. I'll fill you in on that at cnyhomepage.com and coming up tonight on Eyewitness News at 6, 10, and 11. In the meantime, have a great Friday, everybody. Happy Friday, everybody. We'll see temperatures in the middle and upper 60s today. It'll be breezy with a few showers, especially as we head through this afternoon. Overnight tonight, those showers will eventually come to an end. Otherwise, it'll be cloudy with temperatures in the 30s. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Next up.
Now, Eyewitness News begins with your forecast first.
Good Friday evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking a cold front moving through that'll actually bring us breezy conditions as we head through your Saturday and much cooler conditions for your Saturday as well, even a little bit below average for this time of year and a far cry from the 70s that we had on Friday. I'll let you know when we get back into the 70s and when it turns a little unsettled with thunder showers on Eyewitness News, which starts right now.
Local news that matters. This is Eyewitness News, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Everybody, I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking a cooler start to the weekend on Saturday with breezy conditions, but we will see some increasing sunshine as we head through the second half of the day after starting it with more clouds in the morning. Sunday is kind of the opposite of that. We'll start the day with some sunshine, end the day with a lot of clouds, and between 2 and 5 p.m. it looks like we'll see some showers to close out the daylight hours of your weekend, and those will linger into Sunday evening as well. And then next week gets off to a warm and windy start with some thunder showers through most of next week as well, including those warmer temperatures. We'll get to all that in the coming minutes. Let's first take a look at today's stats. 74 degrees was the high, and that's 20 full degrees above average for this time of year. We were a dozen degrees above average this morning with that low of 46. Obviously not any records today, but we did come within 10 degrees of that record high of 82 set back in 1945. Obviously the record low from this morning was safe. As far as those winds are concerned, as we head through your Saturday, it'll be breezy to start the day. In addition to those clouds, there will be winds out of the west and northwest at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting 20 to 25, maybe 30 miles an hour at times, but those will definitely calm down as we head through the late afternoon into the evening hours. As far as your futurecast is concerned, starting this off at midnight tonight, most of the rain has moved off toward the south and east, but there could be a couple of wet snowflakes up into the Adirondack Mountains, maybe at the Tug Hill Plateau. Not any accumulation is expected from that, though. Otherwise, we'll see cloudy skies overnight tonight, temperatures dropping into the 30s and 40s, and that's the way your Saturday will start. There could even be a bit of a patchy drizzle or mist to start the day, but other than that, I think we'll just see a lot of clouds, and that filters out for sunshine as we head through the second half of the day. That northwesterly wind keeping things significantly cooler, even below average for this time of year. We'll be stuck in the middle and upper 40s to the lower 50s out there. Then we'll see those rain chances and thunder showers build in as we head through Sunday into Monday. And it looks like from the valley on south right now, just an early projection, there could be as much as 1/10 of an inch of rain. There could be 1/2 inch to an inch of rain, though, as you head further toward the north where some of the heaviest rain is expected to fall. As far as your 7-day forecast is concerned, again, we'll see increasing sunshine and breezy conditions for your Saturday. And then temperatures on Sunday as well, I should mention, getting their way up into the mid-50s, and we'll be dealing with those shower chances developing between 2 and about 5 p.m. And then it looks like we'll see thunder shower chances Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, most of that time into the lower, if not the mid-70s. We'll be not far from that as we head through your Monday with highs in the mid-60s, and then finally drying things out, but still remaining on the warm side for next Friday with a mix of sun and clouds. High that day looks to be in the low 70s, and keep in mind that our average high for this time of year is 54 degrees, so we'll be well above that, feeling more like May or June as opposed to mid-April. Thomas, in the meantime, I'll send things back over to you.
Thank you, Jordan. You're watching